original Nizo leather case, as you can see, made in West Germany. Inside here we'll find a great compact model Nizo Spezial 148. Incredible camera, very compact, quite a lot of features and frame rates, incredible Schneider Kreuznach lens, as you can see, very clean. Manual zoom works great, focus works great. In order to work with the camera you need to put the batteries in first. As you can see, very clean compartment, battery compartment. Put the batteries in the correct way. You could follow the instructions on the side. As you can see, the lid is clean as well. Put the lid in, close well. Okay, 0 on. Okay, automatic light meter and manual. The light meter works great. 24 frames per second, 18 and a single frame. 18, 24, 18 again. Timer works. As you can see, the zoom in and out works great as well, very smooth. The camera is in top condition. As you can see, barely some scratches here and there. We'll test it out with an expired cartridge. This is a Kodachrome 40. We mark the cartridge. As you can see, put it in, close the lid, just a second, and there is no mark anymore. Nice straight film gate and motor work well. Folding handle, which is incredible as well. Practically that's it. Incredible camera, very compact, great for people who love to shoot all the time and around. Enjoy!